Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss average reaction language, page number 91 and 92. I will discuss of this chapter. Okay, this is last video of this chapter. Already I have made 8 video on this chapter, and today I am going to make video number 9, average reaction language, page number 91 and 92, chapter 7. Try to understand this chapter, average reaction. What is the at first you know very well, there was a boy whose name was Thambi, and who was very naughty boy, who always uh, collects some information from the market and share it with their friends and relatives. Okay, average reaction. Now I am going to discuss the topic, chapter of average reaction. Try to understand the chapter, then you can understand it very easily. Try to understand average reaction. Try to understand. I think you can see it very easily without any problem. Okay, I think you can see it. Okay, so with so much eyes and another with a businessman temperament. Okay, with so much eyes, said another with a business temperament. On Everest there was there is a ice. Sorry, there is ice on the Everest because it is too high from the earth. That's why ice is accumulated on that place. Suppose they find some means of quarrying all that ice and sending it down. It means what? Suppose quarrying means what? Digging up. Suppose somebody has manufactured a company for digging rice, okay, and they have sent on the Everest. Okay, it would revolutionize the cold storage. Revolutionize means change something completely. Okay, in the end, it may become necessary to find some other employment for the members now attached to the refrigeration and air conditioning industries. Okay. Now, here writer is giving indication to this Everest of this is the connection of what? Refrigerator, okay, air conditioner etc. It means what? यह संकेत दे रहा है जो है रेफ्रिजरेशन की तरफ, एयर कंडीशन की तरफ, जो है इंडस्ट्री की तरफ जो है. ठीक है ना. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट पेज. I think you can see it very well easily. Further discussion on this subject was stopped. Now next discussion already stopped. Nobody was talking anything regarding this matter. Further discussion totally stopped. Thambi burst into the room. Burst means तेजी से निकला. Thambi burst into the room. ठीक है, अपने रूम में तेजी से गया दौड़ के, इन हिज यूजुअल लाइटनिंग मैनर, जैसे हो जाता है, विद द अनाउंसमेंट, बोलते हुए माय फ्रेंड्स फादर हु हैड गॉन हंटिंग. Where he had gone? They had gone hunting last night. It seems has bagged 5 tigers simultaneously. Thambi told and came out from the room. Okay, this chapter is written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, he is Indian writer R.K. Narayan. Okay, now I have finished this chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it.